Today I have for you the Commode Commode liners. And this is a package of 60. And not only does it contain the bags, the liners, it also contains absorbent pads to absorb the output from your body. So it's not always ideal to have to use a Commode, but in the times that you need to, it's really nice when you have a product that makes cleanup easier. So let me just show you here. In the box, you are going to get 60 of these pads. And then you're also going to get 2 rolls of 30. And that's going to give you 60 bags total for the Commode. So let me grab a bag here. Here's our Commode tray, nice and clean. We would like to keep it that way. So I'm going to go ahead put the liner in. And these are nice and deep. So if you have a nice deep Commode bowl like I do, this helps great. So you've got the liners fully in. Then you put the absorbent pad. And then you're going to slide this onto your Commode. And then the average adult puts out between 300 and 600 milliliters of urine at one time. So I've got about between 350 and 400 to show you. So I've got between 350 and 400 milliliters of water. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in and to show you how that absorbent pad works. So we're going to go ahead. Our person is going to use the restroom. They're going to be all done. This pad just slowly starts to absorb the moisture. All right, so now I have pulled this out. Let me show you up close. It really gelled that up. So that's awesome. So now I can feel very confident that this bag, no leaks. Squeeze it, nothing. Really great liners and the absorbent pads. I highly recommend the Commode Commode liners.